Morning. So, according to our second chapter, chemistry, how to write the formula of the compounds. First, you have to know the formula of the compounds shows that the number of atoms present in elements that is combined together and forming a compound. Take the case of water. In case of water, hydrogen and oxygen are the two elements that is present and forming water. So, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen forming water. Then, writing a molecular formula. How to write the molecular formula of the compound? First, we have to write the symbol of the element in that compound. Second, the combining capacity of the element or the valencies you have to write. Then, rules for writing the formula of a compound according to our book. First, we'll write the name of the compound. Then, we have taken ammonia. Now, symbol of the compound. Symbol NH3. So, 2 elements, that is, one is nitrogen, another one hydrogen is taken. In case of then the second step, we have to write the combining capacity or the valencies of both the element taken, and we will write this valencies below the element. So, nitrogen valency is 3, hydrogen valency is 1. In the third step, we will interchange the valencies of both the elements. So, nitrogen and hydrogen, you write like this, then the valencies, and then you change this one, interchange this one. So, the number, the valency of hydrogen will go towards nitrogen, and valency of nitrogen will go towards hydrogen. So, you will write like this now, N1H3 is equal to NH3. This is the way how you will write. If in the next case, this one is not required, in the next case, fourth step, if the manuscript is same in both the cases, both the elements, then do not write the valencies. So, in the second example, we will take calcium oxide. So, one is calcium and the other element is oxygen, that is O. This is first step. In the second step, you write the valencies below this. Calcium valency 2, oxygen valency 2. In the third step, you interchange this one. Calcium 2, oxygen 2, and just interchange by making this symbol of a crisscross. And here you will write Ca2O2. In the fourth step, what you will write, when both this one and this one, these valencies are same in both the elements that form the compound, so you do not write this valencies. So what you will write here next, Ca2O2 is equal to just likely this one. Okay. In this way, you have to write the formula of the compound. Thank you.